Hello, my name is Mr. Davis. I am the art department chair of Topeka High, and I am here to recognize these creative, hardworking, and talented students from the class of 2020. The following students did more than just take a variety of art classes taught at Topeka High and pass. They exemplified what it meant to be a true Trojan and a Trojan artist. They worked hard, they made the gallery look great for the past 4 years, and they really showed perfection in their craft. So help me in recognizing the following students: Andrea Blackwell, Danielle or Danny Swartz, Alex Stewart, Vanessa Garcia, Ashby Greer, Eleanor George, and Yareli Rojas. All right. Those are the following seniors for recognition from the art department. And a personal note from me, thank you guys for the past 4 years of making the art gallery look truly extraordinary and astounding with your creative talent. It's been an honor.